Oh, you can see like the structure of the mezzo.
What in mezzo?
Oh, that's super sick. Ooh, that's such a pretty picture. What a mezzo, dude. Okay, we gotta go east so I can get a better picture.
Actually, some of the most amazing lighting I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Oh, I got that one.
My gosh. Hard to really tell.
I got that one in slow-mo.
You have to be like, oh, God, dude.
So good. Dang. That's so sick.
Wow.
Dude.
I've done it before. What the?
Dude, your dash smash is gonna be insane.
It is, dude. Ooh, oh.
Holy
So bad.
that was less than a mile for sure. Dude, you're getting so insane. I was like 0.4 maybe.
Maybe less than that.
Chaser convergence.
Yeah, just somewhere that'll have a good
Oh,
view.
this is great.
I'm telling you, the mezzo's insane. Whoa! This structure is so damn cool. Dude, this is so cool.
Such a good structure.
Wow! This mezzo is unbelievable.
Southwestern Oklahoma.
Nice.
Oh,